The foldable phone game is heating up, and Huawei is back with its next big move, the Mate X6. A device that's not just a smartphone but a statement of innovation. While Apple continues to refine its approach to foldables, Huawei is pushing ahead with some bold new changes. From the outside, the Mate X6 doesn't look drastically different from the Mate X5, but the real changes are all under the hood. This is Huawei's most powerful and refined foldable yet, featuring a next-gen hinge mechanism that's reportedly even more durable, a near-invisible crease, and an upgraded display that rivals anything Apple has on the market. Huawei has been pushing its Kunlun glass technology, and now, the Mate X6 features the second generation of this ultra-durable material. They're claiming it's tougher than anything found on the iPhone. And speaking of the display, we're looking at a 7.9-inch OLED with a 120Hz refresh rate, comparable to the best Apple offers on the iPad Pro, but in a foldable form factor. Powering the Mate X6 is Huawei's Kirin 9010 chip, built on a 5nm process. While Apple's A18 Bionic is expected to dominate in raw power, Huawei has been making serious gains in AI performance and battery efficiency. And with a 5,500 mAh battery, this device could outlast many of its competitors in real-world usage. Cameras have always been Huawei's strong suit, and the Mate X6 is no exception. We're looking at a triple lens setup with a 50 megapixels main sensor, a 12 megapixels ultrawide, and a periscope telephoto lens capable of 5x optical zoom. While Apple's iPhone 16 Pro is rumored to have some major camera upgrades, Huawei is already delivering top-tier hardware combined with cutting-edge computational photography. One of the biggest differences between Huawei and Apple: the software. The Mate X6 runs Harmony OS 4.2, offering deep integration with Huawei's ecosystem. Apple users love their ecosystem too, but with iPhones still lacking a foldable form factor, some power users might be tempted by what Huawei is offering here. So, is the Mate X6 a true iPhone competitor? That depends on what you value. If you're deep in Apple's ecosystem, an iPhone Fold, whenever it arrives, might be the only thing that sways you. But if you're open to trying cutting-edge foldable tech right now, Huawei's latest flagship is a serious contender. Would you switch from an iPhone to a foldable like this? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more Apple and tech news.